Hey there, Saraib TV fam. Welcome back to another exciting episode. I'm Saraib Wade, and today we're diving deep into the realms of mystery and innovation. Get ready, because we're about to unveil the 5 most mysterious gadgets in history that have left us all scratching our heads. But before we jump into it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all things mysterious and fascinating. Let's roll. Our first mysterious gadget takes us back to a time when technology was still finding its feet. Imagine a device that seemingly could communicate with the spirit world. Yes, we're talking about the enigmatic spirit radio. Back in the early 20th century, inventors claimed to have developed radios that could pick up mysterious voices and messages from the afterlife. Were they real or just a product of imagination? Stick around to find out. Next up on our list is a gadget that sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. The Antikythera mechanism, discovered in the depths of the Mediterranean Sea. This ancient Greek device is often referred to as the world's first analog computer. But what was its purpose, and how did it function? Join us as we unravel the mysteries behind this mind-boggling ancient gadget. Moving on to the 20th century, let's explore the baffling cipher machines. These mechanical marvels were designed to encrypt messages and keep communications secure. However, one particular device, the Enigma machine, gained notoriety during World War I. How did Allied codebreakers crack its complex ciphers, and what secrets did they unveil? Get ready for a journey into the world of wartime espionage. Now, brace yourselves for a gadget that might make you question reality itself, the Oculus Rift. No, we're not talking about the virtual reality headset from recent times. We're delving into the past to explore a device from the 19th century that claimed to transport users to distant locations using mesmerism and optics. Join us as we uncover the peculiar history of this early attempt at immersive experiences. Last but not least, we're taking a look at the Turin Shroud. Is it a gadget, or is it a relic? This ancient linen cloth bears the image of a man with wounds similar to those suffered by Jesus Christ. How was this image imprinted on the shroud, and what scientific investigations have been conducted to unravel its mysteries? Stay tuned to find out more about this controversial artifact. And there you have it, folks, the 5 most mysterious gadgets in history. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more intriguing content. Until next time, this is Saraib Wade from Saraib TV, signing off. Stay curious, stay mysterious.